and then people get to, you read a question off the card, and you fill it in, and then people guess, whatever. So the question I had is, what could make me more hip? And so I'm like, what could make me more hip?
What could make me more white?
What could make me more hip? So I'm doing this, and, we're playing. It's my nieces and nephews, and, my brother-in-law is sucking up to me. He's like, nothing can make you more hip. And my sister's like, anything could make you more hip. And my niece puts, stop snapping. I'm like, okay, so I can be more hip. Stop snapping. Anyway, so I had to renew my driver's license this week.
Okay.
And I went to the Deerfield location.
Sure.
Because the Elston location is by my house, and you wait hours there.
Right.
So I drove by Deerfield on the way to work, and I'm like, look, I know there's 2 minutes. That's why it's a fast one. And I drove by there, and I'm like, oh, look, there's maybe 15 people out in front. I'm like, awesome. Yeah. So I stand in line for 45 minutes, and I get to the door, and a lady comes out, and she goes, from where you're standing, it's another 2 hours. I'm like, how could it be 2 hours? So I sort of wasted 45 minutes in line. And then the next day, I went to the Diversity location, which nobody knows exists.
And?
It's only renewals.
Right.
And there was one person in front of me.
Really?
Nobody knows. I go there all the time, but I thought, Deerfield, no one's going to be there. The Diversity's a little out of the way. So anyway, one person in line, but I was in and out with everything I had to do, 20 minutes. In and out from walking.
You couldn't just mail it in? Don't you just mail?
No. Every once in a while, you have to go and actually take a new picture and renew.
Oh.
But you know what they don't do? They don't they don't give you a card.
No.
They give you a photocopy.
Yep.
When did this start?
What? I'd have to look at my license. Last time I got mine, they actually mail it to you in the mail now.
Cray.
Well, no, it's like a credit card now.
Cray.
Yeah.
So
Do you have a star on your driver's license, or are you guys still that far behind?
I have a pat on the back for being awesome. Okay, so my Clutter Clarity tip. How much time is left for the Clutter Clarity tip, Andrew?
Oh, you're going to do one now?
Yeah. So my tip is, while you're waiting in line, you have nothing to do.
Yeah.
Clean out your
Take the
phone.
lint out of your pockets.
Clean out your phone.
Pick your nose. Is that what you're going to say? No, take all the old photos out, the old emails, the old texts, update things. That's what I did for 45 minutes. I could have spent the next 2 hours doing it, but there you go.
Okay.
This
Boom,
is
done.
Stop
My
snapping.
House.